Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, classmates. My name is Edna C. Rosario from BSE 2B, and I'm your reporter for today. And my topic is Armenia. Um, Armenia is a landlocked country located in the South Caucasus region, bordered by Turkey to the west, Georgia to the north, Azerbaijan to the west, to the east, and Iran to the south. It has a rich history that dates back thousands of years, and it is known for being one of the earliest Christian civilizations. The capital city is Yerevan. Next slide is the traditional culture and heritage. Um, the official language is Armenian, which has its own unique alphabet created by Mishra Mashtots in 405 AD. Um, the Indo-European language spoken predominantly in Armenia, but also in Azerbaijan. Armenian is the official language in Armenia and spoken as a first language by the majority of its population. Next is the traditional culture and heritage. Armenian literature has a rich tradition with early works including the 5th century historian Mobses Korinatsi. Modern literature flourished in the 19th and 20th centuries with notable authors like Hobhens, Tumanyan, and Yigishi Charens. Armenian literature produced in the Armenian language was mainly dedicated to national themes and has involved distinct traditions in terms of style, imagery, and form. Next is the religion. Christianity. Armenia prides itself on being the first nation to adopt Christianity as a state religion in 301 AD. The Armenian Apostolic Church is a central aspect of Armenian identity and culture. Um, Christianity Armenia proudly claims the distinction of being the first country to adopt Christianity as a state religion. Tradition has it that two of Jesus' apostles, Thaddeus and Bartholomew successfully preached Christianity to Armenians as early as AD 40. Next is the music and dance. Number one is music. Traditional Armenian music features instruments like the duduk, sorna, and canon. Komitas Bordafet is the key figure in Armenian music for this work and preserving folk songs. The most popular Armenian folk song dances are Cocaine, Shalaku, Yurkusta, Bird, Damzara, Lorke, Zare, Agjik, and Ozomdara. Next is dance. Traditional dances include the Kukari, Shalaku, and Damzara. These dances often involve intricate footwork and are performed during celebrations and festivals. Kukari is lively energetic dance that is believed to be one of the oldest traditional dances of Armenia. There are different versions depending on where you live, but it was inspired by the movements of rams fighting against each other. Next is the Khoisan. Khoisan. Staple foods. Armenian cuisine is rich and varied with staples including bread, lavash meats, korbats, grilled meats, and vegetables. Um, Staple foods, lamb, eggplant and bridge, lavash are basic features of Armenian cuisine. Armenians traditionally prefer cracked wheat to maize and rice. The flavor of the food often relies on the quality and freshness of the ingredients rather than on excessive use of spices. Next is special dishes. Hariza, a forage made with wheat and meat. Dolma is stuffed grape leaves and kash, a traditional soup, are popular dishes. One of the most famous Armenian dishes is undoubtedly dolma, a mixture of minced meat and rice wrapped in the grape leaves. For meat lovers, there's korbats, the Armenian way of grilling. Vegetarians will enjoy dishes like gafama or the wild sorrel salad overlook. Next is sweets. Traditional desserts includes gata, a sweet pastry, baklava, and sujuk, candied nuts. One of the most popular Armenian dishes is the famous tolma or dolma. Next is festivals and holidays. A water festival with pagan origins, now associated with the transfiguration of Jesus, where people flash water on each other. Bardabar, meaning to pour water over someone, is also known as the holiday of water and is all about splashing water on each other. The festival originates from an ancient Armenian legend and celebrates Askrik, the goddess of legend, and celebrates Asgik, the goddess of water, beauty, love, and fertility. Next is Easter, a major Christian holiday celebrated with church services, family gatherings, and special meals. The main celebration of Easter begins on Sunday with a solemn morning service. Armenians bring eggs from home to church to consecrate, and then at home, in the family circle, they celebrate and arrange a comic battle of the eggs. And Nabasart, an ancient Armenian New Year celebrated on August 11 with feast, music, and dancing. Nabasart is the first month of the Armenian calendar. Next is craft and art. Carpet weaving. Armenian carpets are renowned for their intricate patterns and vibrant colors. The term Armenian carpet designates but is not limited to tufted rugs or knotted carpets woven in Armenia or by Armenians from pre-Christian times to the present. Next is kakars. Kakars. These are carved stone crosses often used as memorials or markers and are a significant part of Armenian arts. A kakars also is spelled as kakart or Armenian cross stone. Armenian pronounced cross stone is a carved memorial stele bearing a cross and often with additional motifs such as rosettes, interlaces, and botanical motifs. Kakars are characteristic of medieval Christian Armenian arts. And that's all po ma'am, that's all po classmates. Thank you, God bless po.